welcome to Mojo's Fashion. In today's video, I will be showing you how I turn the main skirt block into a mermaid skirt block using Mojo's method. A logical, simple, easy method. No further ado, let's get started. If you didn't have the chance to watch my previous videos on how to draft the main skirt block, please go and have a look. I will leave the link in the description box below, and I will also leave the link of my book there too, as my book has more information than the videos themselves, okay? If you have your own method in drafting the skirt pattern, you feel free to use them, but also I will still recommend you to go and see my videos. Because in my pattern piece, we have extra lines that I added in the pattern block. Those lines will help me today in drafting the mermaid skirt pattern. So be patient, go have a look, and let's get started. The difference between the main skirt and the mermaid skirt, that the mermaid skirt has a defined knee, okay, and a wide base. Sometimes it has also a tail at the back of the skirt, okay. In my method, in Mojo's method, I do some changes in 3 areas. The first will be the under hip circumference that we have taken, and the second one will be the knee circumference. The third one will be the base or the floor level of the skirt, okay. This is our skirt main block, okay, the skirt base, okay. You can see here that we have the line of the under hip measurement, okay, the circumference of the under hip, okay. Right now the under hip measurement, okay, on the pattern piece equal the measurement of the big hip circumference. This one was 53 centimeters. You can go back to the videos and read more about the measurements, okay. So, and also in my book you will find that also. So here in this one it's 53 centimeter, okay. This is the current size of the under hip line here, the circumference, okay. Whereas the true one should measure, this is the under hip circumference, it was 100 centimeter. We added 2 centimeter as an ease. It became like 102 centimeter. We divided this one, as this one represents full body. We divided this one into 2 because our pattern piece will show only half of the body, which is 51 centimeter, okay. This 51 centimeter will show front and back together. The one right now we have is 53 centimeter, okay. It's 53 centimeter, but it should be 51 centimeter. That means there are 2 centimeters extra in this line, okay, that we have to be taken off. And since we have to take off excess fabric, that means it's a dart. So where should I place this dart? I have so many methods in deciding where to put this dart, okay. As usual, as I told you, you can check my video on the video is the name of the video is what dart is, okay. You can go and check. I will also leave the link in the description box. It tells you everything about darts, okay. So if the dart value is small, like 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, you can place this dart in one area. But if it's more than that, it's better always to divide this value into different several darts, okay. So if you have 2 centimeters, so you have to place it in one place. In this case, if you have a small difference, in this case I can put it in one place only. But where should I place it? As you can see here in the mannequin, the difference between the under hip and the big hip on the back is more than the difference between the under hip and the hip in the front. So obviously you have to place the dart from at the back side, because here where you should take extra fabric from the back side, okay. So going back here in the pattern piece, okay, here is the seam line of the back where we place the back darts, okay. So at the same line we will add our dart at the level of the under hip circumference, okay. So here I will go 1 centimeter here and 1 centimeter here, in total 2 centimeter, and I will draw the leg. Okay, as I told you, I won't recommend you to place any darts in the at the mid back. Okay, it's not like it's not good, but if you add so many darts and the darts value was big and you need to put some zipper there, it will make the zip curvy and uneven. It won't look smooth at the back. Okay, so since you have another place where you can place the dart, so no need to place the dart in the mid back, whereas it's possible, it is possible, you can put that, but it should not exceed 1 centimeter maximum. Okay, but you can place it, but it's not my preference. Okay, let's go here again and check another example where the darts value is different. Okay, this is the one that we had for our measurement that I mentioned in my books and in my also videos. I will show you the, where is that one? Yeah, I will show you this one. Okay, this example here. In this example, the under hip circumference measures 49 centimeters on the pattern piece. Okay, on the pattern piece, whereas the big hip measurement is 53 centimeter. Like the big hip is still 53 centimeter. This one is still 53, and this one right now is 53, but the true under hip measurement is 49 centimeter. In this case, we have 4 centimeters different between the under hip and the big hip. Okay, 4 centimeters considered a big number, not a big, but like a big number, a number that you can divide in two darts. Okay, so here comes the tricks. Like now we have to ask ourselves, where shall I place this dart? Okay, let me just go here again and show you here. One of the method you may say, okay, why don't I place the dart 1 centimeter on the mid back and 3 centimeters at the back dart, okay, line. This is the back dart line and this is the mid back, so 1 centimeter here and 3 centimeter here. Well, that is fine. Okay, but when you do so, that means you have taken the excess fabric. Focus here because this is the trick. Okay, that means that you took much fabric at the back side, okay, and in the mid back, so it's all in the back side. Okay, so this thing you won't notice unless you look to the customer from this side view. Okay, so this is a rule of thumb that I use always. If you want a good visual appear to the side view, that means all the darts manipulation should be on the front and on the back. Whereas if you want to look at the customer face to face and you want to see the nice shape of the body face to face, that means all the modifications, the darts modification and manipulation should be done on the side line dart. Okay, I will repeat this thing later on. I will explain it much more. Okay, so here what we have done, we took 4 centimeter only from the back, which is not wrong, it's right, and it can still give you a good result. But keep with me, I will show you the second option. The second option that I prefer is this one. In this case here, I will take off 4 centimeters, but 2 centimeters from the back line dart, and 2 centimeters from the side line dart at the level of the big under hip circumference. This is the level of under hip, okay, and this is the level of big hip. Okay, what does that supposed to mean, guys? That means that I have taken 2 centimeters from the back and 2 centimeters from this side, making the instead of making the skirt comes straight like that at the side. Let me just show you, maybe this way will be much better. Yep. Instead of making the skirt comes straight, okay, like this, you have taken some centimeters and that makes it looks tighter from the front view. Okay, so whatever modification you make at the side line darts, whether here or there or anywhere, okay, any level, whatever dart you use, the waist, the small hip, the under hip, okay, but at the side line, that means that you will be able to notice this modification from the front view, okay. So by doing this way, you will make the skirt look appealing from the front view and also from the back. This is the front, okay. Let's imagine the lady is standing this way. Instead of making the skirt comes this way and only take the difference from the back, you also take the difference from the side, makes it much tighter at the side, and so when you look at the customer from the front view, it will look like that instead of this way, okay. So here is the shape, and I like to shape the dart this way, exactly like the body shape. It will be concave, not convex, and then concave, convex, then concave, like exactly the body shape. How the bottom comes this way and then tighter, wide and tighter. This is the same, okay. The second modification will be at the level of the knee level, okay, as you can see here, okay. Our pattern block measures in width 53 centimeters, meaning that these lines here for the knees, the upper knee, the true knee, and the lower knee, measures 53 centimeters. But this is not the true measurements for the knee, okay. It's the measurement of the current knees, okay, but not the true knee. So how much is the true knee here? The true knee measured 78 centimeters, okay, with ease, okay. That means the whole circumference of the whole body with her legs apart, I mean with the step width, okay, 78 centimeter with ease, okay. This one represents the whole body. Since we are dealing with pattern piece, that means we have to divide this measurement into half, because we work only with half of the body, okay. So this is after dividing it into two, it will be 39 centimeters, but the current one is 53 centimeters. Wow, that's a huge difference between this and that. So how much is the difference? The difference is 14 centimeters in one half of the body, in the pattern piece, in only one part of the body, okay, not full, only the pattern piece. You have to take 14 centimeters from the front and the back together, okay. We need to divide these measurements because it's very big dart value. Since you say that you have to take it off, that means it's a dart. Since it's a dart, you have to know exactly where to place these darts, okay. You have to understand the body shape until, shall I take it from the front, shall I take it from the side, shall I take it from the back or the mid back, okay. But in our case, that we need to take this one from all of them, okay, all the darts, okay. So main dart, always the main dart, I always said this, the main dart is the sideline dart, because you always talk to people face to face, okay. So you always see the people from the front, okay. So whatever you do on the sideline dart, it will be seen and be visual in the front view of the customer. So if you took only 2 centimeters from for the dart, it will be wide, okay. See, like this is the skirt, comes from here and here, okay. It won't make it so defined. But if you take 4 centimeters at the side line dart, 4 centimeters, it will squeeze it more and it will make it much more defined on the front view of the customer, okay. So the larger dart value should go to the side line, okay. The second dart I will place will be the back dart, as you also can see here, if I make the back dart value small, it will not make the, of course, if you work on the back darts and the front darts, you will see the modification at the side view. Okay, you will notice the difference at the side view. This is the rule of thumb. Whatever modification you do on the front and the back darts, you will notice it from the side view. But whatever modification you do on the sideline, you will be able to see it from the front view and the back view. Okay, but mainly in the front. Okay, so this is, if you take small darts here, amount, that makes it undefined. Okay, but if you take large dart value on the back dart, which will make it much more defined. Okay, it will make it much more defined. I hope that makes sense for you. Okay, but also you have to remember the front one, you will still add some dart, but it's not really important to make it very wide dart. Why? Because anyhow the customer needs to walk. When she's walking, she will open her legs front, you know, like she will walk in the front. So in the front, this area here, it will move a lot. You won't need that much of drama in here, you know. The more darts you have here, the more defined it will be, but you don't need it to be much more defined. Okay, because she already walks, and her being walking will disturb the fabric, and you won't notice the shape anyhow. Okay, but if she's standing also, it's fine to have it straight. Okay, and the back comes this way. Okay, and the side comes tighter. Okay, that's the more important. Why? Because you have here some shape that you need to show. If you don't define the back darts, you won't see the definition of her booty, you know. So you need to add some definition on the knee level so you can see the curvature of her back. Okay, by the way, in this photo I didn't take off if you take the under hip dart, it will be exactly like that. Okay, but if you don't take the under hip dart, it will come like this. Okay, like the red line here. Okay.